Welcome to my channel, this edition of Queen's Tips and Tricks. Hi, I'm Queen Aberash with over 30 years in the beauty industry. Today I'm running a little short on time, so I'm going to show you how to create a polished, confident hairstyle in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to create this look. Fabric hair bands to prevent breakage, a few bobby pins, scissors, a rat tail comb or a regular comb you have, a few sectioning clips, a blow dryer, the Brat edge control, and a holding spray like Pump It Up or whatever brand you prefer. For this style, I'm using the 10-inch white afro hair. I've already washed and conditioned my hair using Healthy Roots shampoo and conditioner, along with the Sacred Conditioner by Beyonce. These products, plus the hair brand I chose, I'll leave the link in the description below. My hair is already sectioned into 5 parts, so we are ready to begin. Let's get into these steps. Start by parting out 2 small sections on your left and your right for sideburns, only if you want them. This is a soft, messy look, so very forgiving. Next, I'll take some of that 10-inch white hair and I'll use that for my sideburns. Just loop it through and braid yourself up. Again, it's a messy look, so don't worry about them parts. It's time for that so slick edge control. I'm slicking up those edges as well as my sideburns here. Next up, you grab your fabric band to grab 3 of those braids. Leave the one on the nape out as well as the one in the very front out. Grab all 3 of those, as you can see, and it's going to give you that pull-up effect. I love to smile, so I have the smile line. So now, see, I'm snatched, okay.